So I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to increase or how to reduce the volume without the remote control. So let's say your remote control is lost or not working and you want to reduce or increase the volume. What you can do is simply go to the bottom of the TV. There's one button at the bottom there. So press that button once, it brings up this menu, and then you can scroll by pressing once and releasing, as you can see. Okay, now go to volume, either volume plus or volume minus for volume up and volume down, and then to increase, long press, and you can see the volume going up. And then to reduce, go to volume down and then long press again. So you press once to navigate and then long press to activate something. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.